Never try this.
The way you operate this is there's going to be a plastic pin thing. You just tear that off, and then this pin, you pull it out from the hole, then press the lever and aim for the fire. I found this extinguisher like on the parking lot here. I don't know why. There's an abandoned building like right there, and I found it like laying on the parking lot here. And it's like a 2019 version, so it's like a really good one. I don't know why would it be at the park. Not sure. Just doing this kind of like introduction thing, like how to use one if you need to use one. And yeah, that's it. Goes pretty far. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Peace out.